Okay, now.
I'm Kirby. I'm doing my speech as a proponent to the Castle Doctrine Law. I have my 10 audience members present. And now I shall begin. In the wake of the shootings in Florida and Minnesota, the Castle Doctrine Law has come under fire. The law was initially for homeowners and people that own businesses to be able to protect themselves against intruders and not be persecuted by the law. My sources are from the Registered Herald, WLBT.com, thesunherald.com, thecastledoctrine.com, and the Mississippi Criminal Defense Law. There are several cases that have arisen in the United States lately pertaining to the Castle Doctrine Law. In Virginia, there was a case where a homeowner shot someone. They came into their home and they were trying to accuse the person of murder, and whereby the defense used this law because they said that the intruder was inside the premises, which was a well-believed statement that everyone said. I'm quite sure you all were familiar with a few years ago in Mississippi. They said as long as you drag the person in, you can shoot them outside as long as you drag them inside the home, and you will be cleared by the law.
Yes.
Okay. Also in Mississippi, a case occurred where a young lady left a grocery store and she was followed, and about 3 steps from the grocery store she was attacked. The law stated that if she had decided to, if she was armed and she had shot the person, that she was well within her rights. The law has several different angles to it, and people try to change these according to the situation. In the Trayvon Martin shooting, the defense is supposedly going to try to use the Castle Doctrine Law, stating that Mr. Zimmerman was well within his rights because he was acting in the duty of patrolling his neighborhood. But proponents to this say that because Trayvon was found to be not an instigator in the incident, where he was allegedly chased by Mr. Zimmerman, then this law doesn't affect him. He can't use it in his defense. There are currently 38 states that have some version of the Castle Law in their amendments or in their laws, and there are 8 that are attempting to place this into their laws. It's an uphill battle with several different versions, and everyone doesn't agree to it, but I personally do, because I feel that if you sense that you are in any danger, in imminent danger, and your life is threatened, your property, your children, then you have the right to use deadly force. If there's no other option, then I'm for it. I know that some people don't believe in it, and that they would say that you should retreat, which was a law in the books, that you were required to retreat from an intruder before doing anything to them. But again, an intruder won't give you that advantage. He won't run from you unless he feels threatened. So therefore, I feel that this law is a good law. If you say that within your dwelling, that is another controversy, because the law has now been extended to your dwelling, such as your house, your automobile, your place of business, or any place. If the law states that any place that you are invited or that you are assuming the assurity of being safe, then you have the right to protect yourself and others from an intruder or from any other imminent danger to yourself. Is this a good law? I ask you, my audience members, when you go home tonight, to think on this. How would you feel if at any given moment through the night, you heard a crash in your door, your window, and you could not defend yourself or your home, your children? Think about that when you go home tonight. Thank you.